Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about clustering, which is the next topic of the data science. So what is clustering? Clustering is an unsupervised machine learning technique used to group similar data points into clusters based on their features. It finds patterns or structures in data without labeled outputs. These are some common use cases. Number one is market segmentation, customer grouping, image compression, document clustering. K means clustering. Now what is K mean clustering? K means is a partitioning clustering algorithm that divides data into K clusters, where each data point belongs to the cluster with the nearest mean. It minimizes the within cluster sum of the squares, a measure of variance within each cluster. Steps of k-means clustering are as follows. Number first is initialization. First we have to specify the number of clusters k which are to be formed in this k-mean clustering. Next we have to randomly initialize the k centroids. We have to randomly choose the data points which are to be called to be centroids. Now the next step is assignment step. In assignment step, we assign each data point to the cluster whose centroid is nearest based on the Euclidean distance. Now second one is update step. Then we have to recalculate the centroids by averaging the data points in each cluster. Iteration. Then repeat the assignment and update steps until centroids stabilize or the algorithm converges. When when assignments cluster assignments stop changing, till then we have to do the steps. Now what is Euclidean distance formula? This is the Euclidean distance formula. As you can see in this picture, here these are the 2 points A and B. We have calculated the distance as x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square whole in the under root. So this is the D, and we demonstrate this and now we are going to demonstrate the application of k-means clustering using R and Python in the Google Colab. Let's move to Google Colab. Let's move to Google Colab. So this is a demonstration of k-means clustering. First we are loading the data sets and libraries. We have used sklearn library and we have load the dataset as load iris, and now we are importing this k-means from the sklearn.cluster. We are also importing matplotlib.pyplot because we have to plot the cluster, and also we have imported pandas as pd. Here we have loaded the iris datasets. Iris is equal to load underscore iris, and iris data is equal to we have converted into a data frame. Now we are performing the k-means clustering, like k-means is equal to k-means, and we have selected 3 clusters here and the random state is 123. K-means dot fit is equal to iris. K-means dot fit under in the bracket we have iris underscore data. Then we view the results. Here we can view the results, k-means cluster, and the clusters will be formed here. So when we visualize the clusters in a 2D projection, this is the command for it, plt.scatter. We have plotted a scatter graph, and in this the cluster will be shown. Now let's just run this command. So it has ran. So we can see it has plotted this scatter plot. As you can see, we have made 3 clusters here. So it has assigned 3 clusters to it with the different colors. So here we can see the first cluster in the blue color, light blue color, second cluster in yellow color, and the last cluster in violet color. So it has plotted the scattering. It has done the scattering on the basis of sepal width and the sepal length. So that's it for this video. Now let's meet in the next video. Till then, keep watching and keep learning. Thank you.